Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. Why can't chowmein be made at home like a street style? Just thinking this, you don't make chowmein at home. But once you try this recipe, you will never buy chowmein from out. Here I have taken a packet of chowmein. We will boil it first. In a pan, pour water as per the quantity of noodles. Add some oil, add half teaspoon of salt and let it boil. Once it starts boiling, add chowmein and boil it well. Once the noodles are boiled, we will drain them immediately, otherwise they will become sticky. We will also pour normal water on it so that they don't stick to each other when they are cooled down. If we are making chowmein here, we will cut the vegetables into long slices. So here I have chopped 2 carrots, 1 capsicum, 1 small piece of cabbage and green onion separately. Now we will pour 2 spoons of oil in a pan and add 1 Maggi magic cube to it and saute it. Now we will add chopped small piece of ginger, 15 to 20 garlic cloves and 2 green chilies and fry it too for 10 seconds. Now first of all we will add onions. After cooking it for 5 to 10 seconds, now we will add carrots. We will also cook it for 5 to 10 seconds. Now we will add cabbage and capsicum and mix them all well. Do all this aside and make a space in the middle. First of all we will add 2 tablespoons of Szechuan chutney, half tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce. We will mix all this and cook it for 5 to 10 seconds. I am not adding salt here because we added salt while boiling the noodles. In this all sauces also contains a lots of salt. Now we will add our boiled noodles to it and mix it all well. Add 3 to 4 spoons of tomato sauce and green onions over it. And mix them well. I have not added red food color here. You can add if you want. So our street style chowmein is ready. It takes maximum of 10 minutes to make this chowmein. So we will take out our super yummy chowmein in a bowl and garnish it with some spring onions and serve it. If you like this recipe, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.